How to format a blog post. To format a blog post, simply go to your post section and selecting your blog post that you want to edit. The first thing you want to make sure you do is click on the visual editor, which will give you these options here. The first thing I want to do is make the first line of text bold. So I would highlight what I want and then clicking on bold. And as you can see, it's now emphasized using bolding. If I want to make a word italic, I can just select it and click italic. There's also more options if you click on this tool here, show hide kitchen sink. So if I want to underline a word or phrase, I can just highlight it, click on underline, and you can see the underline. If I want to change the color of some text, I will just highlight it and choose my color. If I want to make a list, I will just highlight the text I want and then either click unordered list or ordered list. An ordered list will give it numbers. Once you're done, you simply click update. If I click on view post, I can see the changes take effect, like so. So those are the basics of formatting a blog post.